Hello.
Welcome to our stateroom.
Room 4139. All right. So, can you give me a tour?
I'm not a great tour guide, but I can try.
I'll fill in where you miss.
I'm going to start with storage.
Yes. So this is a hallway into the room, and we have several closets. And what's fantastic about these is we've got this one set up to...
These shelves are in the back. They fold down if you don't want to have hanging.
But since we have some dress clothes, it's nice to have the hanging. And
Second
more
one,
here.
This one we've got the shelves in instead of the hanging.
Yep. And then here, and lots of shelves in this one, plus your room safe. And then we made a little room for hanging at the bottom, which is nice. Bathroom.
Here's the bathroom.
Nice, spacious bathroom. We have been here a few days, so there are our toiletries and stuff around. These are the soap and lotion, which I have used extensively on this trip. They're actually nice lotion. You've got extra storage here. You've got your storage underneath here. Of course, they always have your toilet paper and your towels. There are washcloths, unlike some European...
Shampoo, body wash, and conditioner.
Yep, and I've been using that as well. I brought my own conditioner, not sure of the quality of theirs, but theirs is nice conditioner. And shower and tub, which is really nice, and a dry rack, of course.
Bathrobes.
It comes with bathrobes. I have used those quite a bit on the cruise because I like to get up, put my pajamas, or have my pajamas on, and Corey runs down and gets me a cappuccino in the morning, and I drink it in my robe. So we opted for the one bed. It's two twins, they push together, but I actually like to sleep with my husband. There are hangers on the wall here. Next to the bed, there is a light and a USB charger, which is great for charging your phone. A little bedside stand that has two drawers. There is space underneath the bed for your luggage, but it is behind the drawers that they have underneath the bed that they put the extra bedding in. So on this side, it's a little tough to get the luggage in, but it works. Sorry. This is a connecting room. Surprisingly enough,
It's been amazingly quiet. I mean, we do know that we have people in the adjoining staterooms, but we haven't heard anything from them other than
on the
when
balconies.
they're on the balcony.
So it's very quiet, surprisingly, even with the connecting room.
A curtain that separates the wardrobe area from the bedroom.
Which in the beginning, we thought that was kind of stupid. By night two.
But it does work really nice because if you walk towards the bathroom at night, you do have lighting that lights up, which does illuminate the whole bedroom in the middle of the night.
So we close this at night.
Does give some nice separation.
And the bathroom light stays on. There's a low light that stays on in the bathroom as well.
Which is which can be pretty intense at night.
Yes. And then on this side, we have the phone and USB charger too, and another nightstand, and a light.
Lights here with operating for the rest of the room.
And then he was about to show you.
This is the additional storage drawers for bedding, and I'm sure you can move them to one and use additional storage for whatever you need.
Yes. Flat screen TV.
Yep.
And your remote.
Interactive. I don't think it's touch screen.
You will see that our hats are hung on the walls, but those are hung on. We bring our own magnetic hooks.
So you can.
It helps with keeping the room clean and tidy. And then we have our desk. which has your glasses and
Hair dryer.
hair dryer.
USB chargers here. You got 115, European 220,
And
European 220, and another 115.
And we always
Yes.
bring a couple of European plugs with us so that you can use all of them. So if you're European, bring your American adapter plugs, and if you're American, bring your European, and that gives you extra plug-in space for
Mini
charging.
fridge.
Mini fridge. I think
They
what's
do keep
inside it?
They do keep it stocked with a few different wine selections. We've got a
cake from
in there.
from last night that we haven't had room to eat.
I believe the sofa does fold out to a.
Yes. Last night they gave us swan towel animals for our anniversary. We got an elephant one night before as well. But the sign does not come with the room. That's our sign notating our big event. And then of course you've got the balcony. And
again, this is the fourth deck, so it seems that a lot of the balconies on the fourth deck are a lot larger. If you look up, you can see where the balconies end higher up, but these are a little bit more extended than the others.
which
Nice.
and you get sun. You're able to sit out here in sun without, and the view is completely unobstructed. You can see all the way down to the ocean, which is, important when you're on a 14-day cruise.
To New Zealand.
Yes. Is there anything? Oh, the seats, they do partially recline. They don't recline all the way
fully
back.
recline.
And the footstool comes out so that you can rest your foot on that. And I think this is enough of this for today.
I think so, too.
Shall we
Let's
just
relax.
and enjoy our balcony? Yes.
Adventure.